This video will be talking about how you can use Trust Wallet to buy cryptocurrencies around the world. Trust Wallet is the most valuable wallet that you can use to buy cryptocurrencies, and you have many cryptocurrencies that you can buy. Now let's proceed with the video, but before we do just that, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel and then like our video. So thank you for doing that. Now let's proceed. Now the first thing you are going to do now is you go to your Play Store. So if you are using Apple, go to your Apple Play Store, but I am using Android now, so I will go to Play Store. So click on Play Store. So after clicking on Play Store, then you will search for Trust Wallet. Search for Trust Wallet. After searching for Trust Wallet, now you can see here, now this is Trust Wallet. So this is Trust Wallet. So then you click on Trust Wallet, crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So you click on install. I have already installed the app, so that's why it told me to update the app. So I have already installed the app. No need for me to update or install the app again. So let me go to the app now. So after installing the app, now you will find it on your phone, and then click on Trust Wallet. Now click on the app after you download it. Here is it. So click on it on your phone. Now after clicking on it, you have to first sign in to your Trust Wallet account. Before you have to sign in, so let me teach you how you can sign into Trust Wallet. So now this is how you sign into your Trust Wallet account. Now click on create new account. Then you now click on I understand if I lose my words, I will not be able to access my wallet. Here is it. So you click on it, you mark it, then click on continue. Now after clicking on it, now Play Store, Trust Wallet will told you to write or copy these words in the right order to save them somewhere safe. Now this is because now maybe you lost your phone, or you lost all your phone damage. Now how do you get your wallets back? Now since you have money in your Trust Wallet account, now your phone crashed or damaged, now how do you get your wallet back? Now it's through this it's through all this number. So you have to save it somewhere that is safe, so that nobody can have access to it. So you need to copy it somewhere safe. Now so I will have to copy mine now and save it to somewhere. I'm saving mine to my phone notepad. So let me save mine now. So now you now copy the words. You now copy it. Now click on copy. Now you can see here only share you can share your words to maybe your Gmail, your LinkedIn, your social media account, or anywhere you want to save it. Or if you don't want to save it online, you can copy the code here. So you click on you click on copy here. So you click on copy and then save it to somewhere. So I already saved mine to my notepad. So after you have saved the words, then you click on then you click on continue here. So you click on continue. Now Trust Wallet told you to verify your copy paste. Now it said tap the words to put them the next to each other in the correct words. Now you have to tap the words in correct ways. Now as you can see, when Trust Wallet told you to copy the words, now such a way that Trust Wallet write the words. Now you have to put it in your Trust Wallet, recovery. Now, so let me show you how this works. Now, I first check my notepad to see how they arrange everything. Now, the first one is, you can see here, the first one is history, the second one is impulse, change, candy. So I will write it as Trust Wallet gave the code to me. So the first one is history, and the second one is, let me check the second one. Second one is impulse, and third one is change, candy, impulse, change, candy. Now let me check again. Will not here ghost 8 minute, will not here ghost 8, here ghost 8. And let me search the winning one. Color still pen edge, color still pen edge. Now when you turn the words correctly, Trust Wallet told you well done, and then you click on what? Click on done here. So you click on done. Now it's creating my wallet now. Now you can see here, Trust Wallet said your wallet was successfully created. Now we have created our wallet. You don't need any email or password to create your Trust Wallet account. Now Trust Wallet is very, very secure, and it's very easy to make money on Trust Wallet. Now, how do you make money now through Trust Wallet, and how do you deposit to your Trust Wallet account? Now, the first thing you can see here is what is sent. The second one here is received, and this one is back. Now, how does all those things work? Now, send, when you are talking about send down, send is that maybe you already have cryptos on your Trust Wallet account, and you want to sell it to someone else, or you want to give someone, or you want to send it to someone to help you keep it, or you want to sell it for him. Now you click on what? You click on send. Now after clicking on send, now you guys can see here only no access funds. Now buy cryptocurrencies. Now if you have a wallet, if you have coins on your account, now it will show you that it will ask you to the person that you want to send the coin to. It asks you his wallet address. Now let me log into my Trust Wallet account that I have little cryptos there. Now as you can see, now I have $1.13 on my Trust Wallet account. Now as we are saying now, so if you want to send coin to someone else, now after you click on send, now it will display all the coins you have, maybe BTC, Ethereum, any coin you have. So you display it to you here. So I only have Dogecoin here, so I will click on Dogecoin. As you can see now, it shows the amount of Dogecoin I have, and how much is it on Doge, and how much is it on dollars. So you click on Dogecoin now, and it will now ask you the recipient address and how much drugs you want to send to this person. Now the person will give you your Trust Wallet address. Now remember, if you are sending BTC to someone, now the person have to send you his BTC wallet, not Ethereum wallet. Don't mistake that. So if you send you his BTC wallet, and then you paste it here, and then you click, after placing it here, then you click on the amount of coin you want to send to the person. Now after clicking on it, then you click on continue at the top, then click on continue. Then you are done with that. No, now the second one is what you receive. Now as you send coin to someone, now you can also receive coin from other persons. Now, for example, if you want to buy coin from someone else, you have already paying money now. You want to send coins to you. Then you click on what? Then you click on receive. Then click on receive. After clicking on receive, you will search the coin that you want to buy. Maybe you want to buy BTC, Ethereum, BNB, Smart Coin. Just have many coins that you can buy. You can search it. You can search it there. So for example, now you want to buy maybe Bitcoin. I want to buy Bitcoin from someone. Now you can see. Now this is your what? This is your Trust Wallet code. Your Bitcoin Trust Wallet code. Now if you click on copy, if you copy the code as it is here, it will copy the code as it is here. Now, but if you click on set the amount you want to receive from that person, or you want to share it to that person on Facebook, you click on here. If you want to set the amount of Bitcoin you want to receive, and you can share it to the person that you want to buy coin from, you can share it. You can share it in by clicking on share and load as many as page that you want to share your address to. Now that is that. Now the last one is what is buy. Now if you want to buy coin now, you can search your buy. It's also similar to received. So you click on the coin you want to buy, and then you write the amount that you want to buy. Maybe you want to buy let's say $1,000 now. So you click on next. So after clicking on next, now I don't know why it is not allow me to open it. So $50. So say not available. That means I don't have any coin. Now this is different from receive. Now as you can see, now if you click on buy here, you click on buy here, maybe you have already have maybe Dogecoin and you want to buy BTC. Now when you click on it, when you click on buy, you can set the coin you want to buy Dogecoin. Now the meaning of $50, so I don't have many coin here in my wallet. Now after clicking on it, you will set the coin that you have already. Now since I have Dogecoin now you click on what? You click on Dogecoin. Now you write the amount you want to you want to buy. So after writing the amount, you will now just want to now ask you now to paste the wallet the coin address that you want to buy, and then you paste it there, and then you click on continue. So that is that about that. Sorry that I'm not showing you how that works. Maybe next time I'll be showing you how, but with my explanation I'm very sure you should know how to handle that. Now the next one is what is the app. Now the app is that all the coins website that you can check to buy coin. Now all this coin have its own website, so you can click search on it here, and then you click on it, you will see how everything works there. Now the third one is DEX. Now the DEX is maybe you want to swap. It's swapping. Maybe you have $1,000 BNB now, you want to swap it to Bitcoin. Now swapping in form of maybe you want to buy Bitcoin now you can swap you swap your BNB, your $1,000 BNB. You can swap you can swap $50 from it, $100 from it, and swap it to your Bitcoin address. Now you can see here your pay. Now you write your pay, and then you will now click on, maybe you have BNB already, or you don't have, it's not BNB, it's Ethereum you have. So you say the tokens. So after you say the tokens, now you now what click on, maybe it's Ethereum. Now you now click on it. Now I don't know why it's not clicking for you. So you now click. I don't know the reason why. Now, as you can see now, I have swapped it now. Now remember, now maybe you have BNB, you have 1000 BNB now, and you want to swap the coin to maybe your you need to swap it down to maybe Ethereum or any coin like that. Now you will now search it and click on it. I don't know why it's not clicking, maybe because I don't have any coin, so that's the reason why it is not working. So but if you have coin on your wallet, then you can swap it from BNB to Bitcoin, from Bitcoin to Ethereum. You can swap it anywhere. Now the last one in the list is, but not in the list, is settings. Now settings is where you find all the necessary things about Trust Wallet. You can create multiple accounts on Trust Wallet. As you can see now, I have 3 different accounts on Trust Wallet. Now you can change your account to dark mode. You can change it to dark mode, and you can tick. Now you want to set security here, you can find everything there. So just click on it. Anything you want to set, just click on it, and then you will now set it. So now maybe in the next video we'll be talking about how to use finance and these collectibles. Now in the next video we'll be talking about that. So I'll see you in the next video. So thank you.